Now, I think it's fair to say that the equinoctial gales have arrived here. Look at this, look at the dust getting kicked up along here. It's a real windy day today. And, yep, the windsocks, wherever they are. Look at the dust down here, look at this. Woohoo, she's gale force today. Where's the windsock? I can find it. Yeah, it's pretty strung out, so what lovely flying weather. Gorgeous. No, they're not going to fly that gyro, they're actually just doing some maintenance. Here we go, from the I Must Be Crazy department, we've got someone flying a gyro in a gale. That's cool. Excellent, it's Gyro Jim. And he's up there in a really strong wind. Let's see how he copes with this. Let's get a bit of perspective on this. Ooh, I'm getting blown around in the wind. Go backwards if he's not careful. Here we go. Soon, but look, he's not going anywhere, is he? Look, not going anywhere at all. This is how windy it is. Look at the dust getting blown up by the wind. Woohoo! Yes, it's pretty bad today.